Weather situation developing across Alabama where we're now dealing with some ice. There is a weather alert in effect all throughout the day and into tonight, and that is for the potential of ice, sleet, freezing rain, as well as snow. Now, this is the entire area across central Alabama that is highlighted here. That is the winter storm warning. That is going to last until tomorrow morning, Saturday morning. We could see anywhere from 1 to 5 inches of snow, possibly a bit higher in a few higher elevations. The other area we have highlighted is the purple here. That is anywhere from a dusting to 2 inches. Keep in mind, some spots aren't going to get much, if any, snow. This is going to be a very concentrated area of where the snow band is. Our latest forecast model data shows that as well. Look at this. This is by 7 o'clock tonight. We have snow beginning to fall across downtown Birmingham, back to Tuscaloosa, Walker, Coleman, Blount counties, all the way into Gadsden as well as Anniston, and then it really starts to crank up. This snow belt right through here will actually stretch from Bibb back into Shelby and even into Calhoun, Talladega, Clay counties. This is where we could see anywhere from 3 to 6 inches if it verifies. I think it's a safe bet, and I think that we will likely see some spots get a pretty good covering of snow. The problem we have right now is this, ice. We have actually been dealing with freezing rain here atop Red Mountain, and that is what is happening to our lens. Temperature now at 31 degrees. Freezing rain falling at times, low 30s in most spots across central Alabama. Latest radar shows that the heavier precipitation is now east of I-65. We're looking at that transition around Anniston back up towards Gadsden. Then it's just rain mixed with sleet in our southeast counties, but there's more on the way. And as we go through the night tonight, we're going to have to deal with the snow potential. But then tomorrow, it does get better. 35, sunny, but still cold. Here's your Storm Track 7-day. It's going to be quite cold as we head through the weekend into the first of next week. And then more rain this go around as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. That's good news. We won't be dealing with ice, but please keep in mind, at this point, we are looking at freezing rain at times, and it is beginning to collect in some areas. And that's why we're going out to 42 on deck, where my teammates, Nate as well as Ashley, are out there. And guys, we already have a glaze.
Yes, we do, Mark. It's glazed over on 42 on deck, and we've got our infrared thermometer, and it shows temperatures, yeah, there you see, 29.5 degrees. And that's how it's been most of the morning and into the afternoon, and it's only getting colder. We had, Ashley, a little bit of freezing rain just about an hour ago. Now we just had some sleet and
and we can kind of, and you can kind of hear and see. I'm using the sled more so as a prop.
Oh, we're taking this thing out later.
But you can definitely hear all of this. And so what's happened is we had some sleet, and now it's changing over to freezing rain. And the freezing rain is basically the rain. It's falling in its liquid state, and then it hits the ground and freezes. And that's how we get ice. We just saw that on the floor here, and we can see that here on the back of this sled. So that's what makes driving conditions very dangerous and can pose more headaches as we make it through the afternoon. And we still have an afternoon and evening of more precipitation and possible accumulation.
Yeah, and as the afternoon gets colder and as more moisture falls and more snow falls through the atmosphere, it's only going to get colder, and that means most likely, like Mark said, we're going to have some snow to deal with later on tonight.
Yep.
Mark, and actually, Jamie, back to you in the studio.